Hello there. This is Nate O'Brien, mental health counselor and Hope Haven hero. Today's a skill check. We all go through so many things in life. Tons of stress, worry, fear, and there's a whole bunch of coping skills out there for us to use to help navigate all of those things. One whole category of that is breathing exercises. So I tried to make it simple and just pick one breathing exercise for you to focus on. This is the one I recommend to everyone. It's box breathing, literally. Now, after hours of research on all the Reddit threads, I found out some interesting facts about box breathing. It was really made popular by the US Navy SEALs. I also heard that regular animal SEALs use it, and I don't know, this could be true. The artist known as SEAL, he might use it as well. It was taught to help combat stress control, helping soldiers manage stress in high pressure situations. So if it works for all the SEALs, then it probably will work for you too. Very simple to do. I want you to picture just a box, a square in your mind. On the left side of it, just picture an arrow pointing up that says inhale for 2 seconds. So you inhale through your nose for 2 seconds. And then the top of the box has an arrow going to the side that says hold. You just hold your breath for 2 seconds. And then coming down the other side, exhale through your mouth for 2 seconds. And then another hold for the bottom of the box, 2 seconds. That's one trip around the box. And then you take an inventory. How am I doing with stress? How am I doing with fear or anger or sadness or whatever it is I'm feeling? Do I need to take another trip around the box? What makes this so magical is that you can use it anywhere. Work, school, your house, the car, even going to sleep at night. And so I highly recommend it. And I do hope that you will try and use it. Now, I hope this has been another helpful Hope Haven moment. So make it a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.